Husbands understand the concept of civil and criminal cases by the husband and his family against the wife and her family members. But a lot of times, husbands tell me that they are afraid of availing of these remedies in law, civil and criminal, because they are afraid that their wife, who has already filed a multitude of cases such as her FIR, dowry harassment, criminal breach of trust, domestic violence petition, and her maintenance cases, she'll now, after receiving summons in these civil and criminal cases, file even more cases upon the husband and his family. And I tell husbands who have this apprehension, I have done 500 plus of these matrimonial disputes. I've consulted people in 5,000 plus matrimonial dispute discussions, consultations, and I have never seen that after a husband availed of his remedies, a wife who has already availed of her civil criminal remedies, such as the FIR, DB petition, and maintenance case, goes on to the extent of filing her own civil suits for injunctions or damages or magistrate complaints. Because number one, it is she has already availed of all her legal remedies possible. Now, apart from what she has already filed, if after you file, she again files something else, she'll have new cause of action needed. The court will ask an explanation as to why she did not seek these remedies earlier in time. And also, it is very difficult in comparison to filing a dowry harassment FIR, DV petition, and maintenance cases. When you have to file a civil suit for damages and injunction, you have to also put in court fees. You have to also, in magistrate cases, you have to go and testify before the magistrate. So it's not as simple as you might think for a man or a woman to file civil and criminal cases. However, I still say for a man, it is still better than doing nothing or just filing for divorce or sending a legal notice and then facing the brunt of all these other cases by the wife. One case I will not recommend you to avail of your legal remedy, civil and criminal, against the wife is if she has not filed any cases against you. In that case, I'd say don't even file divorce or send legal notice. Live apart peacefully, or perhaps if you're even behind the same walls, but you're living separately and she's not making life miserable for you, don't initiate something and then invite her wrath, her fury. Those are my thoughts on this.